Yeah, here I am. I got this F250. I didn't paint it last time. I don't know, the thing used to be white, and the guy had it painted yellow. The guy, he had Mako paint a whole fleet of these trucks yellow for him. But I did do some work on it. It had some rust holes, and I can't remember exactly what I did. But this thing, I patched it up, and then I think I painted the stuff I patched white, and then he had the truck painted yellow. But here you can see one of the patches I made and how it's bubbling. I put the whole bottom on here. I fabricated it, and then I bent it all around and welded it in there, and I'll give it a couple of whacks and you can see what happens. It's more than 5 years since I worked on this thing, but anyway, I'll give it a couple of whacks here and we'll see what's going on here. So okay, now you see my patch there that I made. It's right. I got my channel locks here, and you can see the patch I made here. And yeah, stuck on there pretty good, even if it is rusted out. But yeah, let me try a little more here. Oh man, it's coming very good. Yeah. Okay, well, there's the patch I made. But yeah, they rotted out. You can see where I welded it on some of the old metal that was still good there at one time, and right here. And so I'm gonna have kind of a chore, but yeah, you can. Yeah, the guy wants me to fix up some of this. I made patch panels for the box sides too, where they all rot out. But you can see that getting rusty again, and then they yeah, he wants me to fix up some of this stuff that's starting to do its thing there. A little bit right here to patch up, and yeah, and then he wants me to paint it silver. You can see, like I say, I guess this door is locked. But let me go back around again. And the guy wants me to paint it silver. You can see the thing was white at one time, and then, like I say, he had Mako paint it yellow, and yeah, they cut him a deal because he had so many of them painted. Or you can see the yellow paint peeling here, and you can see it's all faded. They, you know, when you get those cheap paint jobs, you know, when you get a whole fleet of them painted like that, they don't. They use paint without any clear. It's just hardener, single stage paint, and it's not as good as the stuff with the clear, but yeah, you can see it's peeling in there and stuff, and but it's all right, you know, for a guy that's in some kind of business, you know, like a plumber or something. It's okay. But anyway, the video's getting kind of long, so I better get out. Oh yeah, and then the guy said his headlights weren't much good, so he went out and bought a whole pile of headlights and stuff for it too, and put them in the back seat. So I got to put them on too. So there you go.